What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to loan on Lazada using Billease. So if you're looking for a way to have a loan here on Lazada using Billease, well, it's actually pretty easy. So first is you want to make sure your Lazada wallet is actually activated. Now this part is super important. The money from the loan won't be sent to your bank account. It goes directly to you into your Lazada wallet. So if your wallet is inactive, you won't be able to receive the funds. So in this case, you can check this by opening the Lazada app and tapping the wallet icon to see if it's already set up. Now, if not, just follow the prompts to activate it, and it only takes a minute, or in this case, or a few minutes here. Now, you want to go ahead and open the Lazada app and log into your account. Now, once your wallet is good to go, launch the Lazada app and log in using your usual credentials here. This will take you to the home screen where you can access your wallet and loan options. Now, also in the upper right hand corner of the app, you see a wallet icon. Tap that and then scroll down a bit and you'll see an option labeled as loans. Now, this is where Lazada lists all the financing services they partner with. So you'll find Billease here. Now, among the different loan partners, you're going to look for Billease. Tap on it, and it will redirect you into their sign-in or sign-up page. Now, if you already have a Billease account here, you can just log in. If not, it will prompt you to create one. So it's actually free and quick to set up. Now, after logging in into your Billease account, they will ask you to provide some personal and financial details. Just follow their application steps, and once you filled everything in and submitted their loan or your loan request here, they review it for approval. And if everything checks out, Billease will create the loaned amount into your Lazada wallet here. And from there, you can use the balance to shop for anything on Lazada. Now, if it works just like a previous wallet here, so you see the new balance available and will be used at checkout. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.